Very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise plants around us in the subject EVS. Before I start the revision, let me tell you a brief summary about the topic. Are you all ready, children? Yes, listen carefully. A plant has many parts: root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Root. The root fixes the plant to the soil and it helps in taking water and minerals from the soil. The next part, stem. The stem carries water and food to all the parts of the plant. The next part, leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. The next part, buds. Buds are unopened flowers. The next part, fruits. Fruits grow from flowers. Fruits grow from flowers. Now tell me, children, where do plants come from? Yes, most plants grow from seeds. There are many kinds of seeds. Some examples are maize, rice, wheat, gram, pepper and etc. A seed has a baby plant inside it. A seed requires sunlight, water, air and soil to grow into a plant. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed inside them. For example, mango and lychee. Some fruits have a few seeds inside them. For example, apple and orange. Some fruits have many seeds inside them. For example, watermelon, papaya and tomato. Next, we will see about types of plants. There are different types of plants around us. Some plants are tall and woody. Some plants are short and green. Big plants are called trees. Trees are tall and strong plants. They have thick stems. The stem of the tree is known as the trunk. The stem of the tree is known as the trunk. The trunk is covered with bark. The stem is covered with bark. Next, we will see about small plants. Small plants are bushy with strong woody stems or with soft stems. For example, spinach, rose, jasmine, mint and sunflower. Let us see plants that cannot stand straight. Some plants creep on the ground. They have weak stem and big fruits and vegetables. They are called creepers. For example, watermelon, cucumber and pumpkin. Some plants with weak stem need support to climb. They are called climbers. For example, money plant, beans and grapevine. Some plants grow in water. For example, lotus. Some plants grow in small cracks in the walls. For example, ferns, people and etc. Now we are going to revise book exercises from this lesson. Are you all ready, children? Now we are going to revise book exercises from this lesson. Are you all ready, children? Yes. Unscramble the words to get the answer. Number 1. A fruit with one seed. A fruit with one seed. A-M-G-N-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Question number 2. It holds the plant to the soil. It holds the plant to the soil. Which one? Yes. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. Say the spelling, children. R-O-O-T. Root. So, root holds the plant to the soil. Yes. The next question. A seed that you eat. A seed that you eat. I-R-C-E. What is that, children? Yes, rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Repeat. R-I-C-E. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. A seed that you eat is rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Okay, next question. It makes food for the plant. It makes food for the plant. Which one will prepare food? Yes, leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. The next one. Fruits grow from flowers. Very good. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Fruits grow from flowers. Fruits grow from flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Give an example of a plant. Give an example of a plant. I need support to grow. Which plants need support to grow, children? Yes, climbers. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Say the spelling, children. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. I need support to grow. Climbers. I need support to grow. Climbers. Okay, next one. I creep on the ground. I creep on the ground. Which plant grow along the ground, children? Which plants? Yes, creepers. Creepers. I creep on the ground. Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. I creep on the ground. Which one will creep on the ground? Creepers. Yes. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Very good. Next, I grow in water. I grow in water. Which one? Yes, lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Repeat the spelling, children. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Repeat. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. I grow in water. I grow in water. Lotus. Very good. I am a small plant. I am a small plant. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Repeat the spelling, children. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Repeat. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. The next one. I am a big plant. I am a big plant. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Repeat the spelling, children. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Very good, children. Next one. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. Money plant is a creeper. Money plant is a creeper. Is this sentence true or false, children? Yes, it is a false sentence because money plant is a climber, not a creeper. So, this is a false sentence. So, you have to write F. So, money plant is a creeper. False. Money plant is a creeper. False. Very good. Next question. Lychee fruit has one seed inside it. Lychee fruit has one seed inside it. Yes, that fruit has only one seed. That is true sentence. Yes, true. T you have to write. Lychee fruit has one seed inside it. True. Lychee fruit has one seed inside it. Yes, it's a true sentence. Very good. Next, question number 3. Seeds require soil to grow. Seeds require soil to grow. It's a true sentence. So, you have to write T. True. Okay. Seeds require soil to grow. True. Yes. The next one. Papaya has only a few seeds inside it. Papaya has only a few seeds inside it. Is it a true sentence or false, children? Yes, it's a false sentence because papaya has many seeds, not few seeds, many seeds. Okay, so this is a false sentence. Okay, papaya has only a few seeds inside it. Papaya has only a few seeds inside it. It's a false sentence. F. Okay? Yes. Next one. The stem of a tree is known as the bark. The stem of a tree is known as the bark. Is it a true sentence or false sentence, children? Yes, it is a false sentence. The stem of a tree is known as the trunk, not bark. Okay, so this is a false sentence. So you have to write F. Yes? Okay, let us move on to the next Roman number. We fill in the blanks. So here they have given us a missing letter, children. But we have to learn the full spelling. Okay, children? Yes. First one, fruits have dash inside them. The fruits have dash inside them. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Say the spelling along with me, children. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. One more time. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. So fruits have dash inside them. Seeds. Fruits have dash inside them. Seeds. Very good. Question number 2. Dash can grow through small cracks in a wall. Dash can grow through small cracks in a wall. Ferns. F-E-R-N-S. Ferns. F-E-R-N-S. Ferns. Repeat the spelling, children. F-E-R-N-S. Ferns. Dash can grow through small cracks in a wall. Dash can grow small cracks in a wall. Ferns. F-E-R-N-S. Ferns. Question number 3. Dash is an example of a small plant. Dash is an example of a small plant. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Say the spelling along with me, children. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Dash is an example of a small plant. Spinach. Okay. Next question. The dash carries water and food to all the parts of a plant. The dash carries water and food to all the parts of a plant. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Repeat the spelling, children. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Repeat the spelling. S-T-E-M. Stem. The dash carries water and food to all the parts of a plant. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Next question. Dash are plants that need support to climb. Dash are plants that need support to climb. Climbers. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Say the spelling along with me, children. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Dash are plants that need support to climb? Climbers. Very good. Next question. Dash are unopened flowers. Dash are unopened flowers. Buds. B-U-D-S. Buds. B-U-D-S. Buds. Say the spelling, children. B-U-D-S. Buds. B-U-D-S. Buds. Dash are unopened flowers. Buds. Say the spelling. B-U-D-S. Buds. One more time. B-U-D-S. Buds. Very good, children. Next Roman number. Encircle the odd one out. Encircle the odd one out. First one. Beans, money plant, cucumber, grapevine. Beans, money plant, cucumber, grapevine. In this set, beans, money plant and grapevines are climbers. These three are climbers. But cucumber is a creeper. So cucumber is the odd one. Cucumber is the odd one. You have to circle cucumber. Okay. Beans, money plant, grapevines are climbers. Cucumber is a creeper. Very good, children. Next one. Coconut, spinach, mango, apple. Coconut, spinach, mango, apple. So in this set, coconut, mango, apple. These three are fruits. Coconut, mango, apple. These three are fruits. But spinach is a leafy vegetable. It's a vegetable. Spinach. So spinach is the odd one. Spinach is the odd one. You have to circle that. Question number 3. Sunflower, jasmine, rose, watermelon. Sunflower, jasmine, rose, watermelon. In this set, sunflower, jasmine, rose. These three are flowers. These three are flowers. But watermelon is a fruit. So watermelon is the odd one. So you have to circle the watermelon. Yes. The next one, tomato, lychee, papaya, watermelon. Tomato, lychee, papaya, watermelon. In this set, tomato, papaya, watermelon. These fruits have many seeds. These fruits have many seeds. But lychee has one seed. The lychee has only one seed. So lychee is odd one. The next one, orange, rice, gram, maize. Orange, rice, gram, maize. In this set, rice, gram, maize. These three are seeds. These three are seeds. But orange is a fruit. So orange is the odd one. So you have to circle orange. Let us move on to the next Roman number. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a root? What is a root? The part of the plant that holds it to the soil is called a root. The part of the plant that holds it to the soil is called a root. The part of the plant that Holes. What is the spelling of holes? Holds. Holes. Say the spelling. Holds. Holes. Holds. Holds. It. It. Holds it to. The. The. To the soil. 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 To the soil is called. Is called. 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 Say the spelling. Called. Called. Root. 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 The part of the plant that holds. 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 Say children. Holds. Holds it. It. Holds it to. Holds it to the. The. Holds it to the soil. Soil. Soil is called. Is called. Called. Is called a root. 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 What is the root, children? The part of the plant that holds it to the soil is called a root. The part of the plant that holds it to the soil is called a root. Yes, children. Second question. Name 2 seeds that you eat. Name 2 seeds that you eat. Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat. Say the spelling of rice, children. R-I-C-E. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Say the spelling. R-I-C-E. Rice. And A-N-D. And wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. Rice and wheat. R-I-C-E. Rice. Say the spelling, children. R-I-C-E. Rice. And A-N-D. And rice and wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. Say W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. Rice and wheat. Name 2 seeds that you eat. Yes, rice and wheat. Rice and wheat. Very good, children. Question number 3. Name 2 fruits with a single seed inside them. Name 2 fruits with a single seed inside them. Mango and lychee. Mango and lychee. Say the spelling of mango, children. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Say the spelling, children. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And A-N-D. And mango and lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee. Say the spelling. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee. Repeat the spelling, children. L-I-T-C-H-I. Lychee. Name two fruits with a single seed inside them. Mango and lychee. Mango and lychee. Yes, children. So today's revision over, children. So do your exam well. All the best. Thank you, children.